Why does bank location matter in a world of digital banking and mobile apps? It's a valid question, especially when researching a bank like Poppy Bank. A strong, local presence often speaks volumes about a bank's commitment to community and personalized service, but in today's financial landscape, proximity is only one piece of the puzzle. Poppy Bank has been a significant player in California's banking scene, starting in 2005 and headquartered in Santa Rosa. They've built an extensive network across the San Francisco Bay Area, the Roseville-Sacramento area, Greater Los Angeles, Orange County, and Greater San Diego. In fact, their growth has been so strong that while many banks are closing branches, Poppy Bank has consistently been expanding their geographic footprint within the Golden State, with dozens of branches now planned or already open across the region. But what if you live outside of California? That's where things get interesting. If you're specifically looking for a traditional, full-service branch of Poppy Bank, the kind with a teller line and a safe deposit box, the answer is straightforward. Poppy Bank does not currently have any full-service branches outside of California. Their entire branch network is concentrated within the state. However, the complete picture of their reach goes beyond brick-and-mortar locations. While their branches are all in California, Poppy Bank has actively expanded its lending and business development operations into other key areas. They maintain loan production offices and a presence for their lending services in states like Nevada, Arizona, and Texas. This means that while you can't walk into a Poppy Bank branch in Dallas or Phoenix, you can connect with a Poppy Bank lender for business or real estate financing. And for your day-to-day transactions? As a customer, you can manage nearly all your banking needs remotely through their online and mobile banking platforms, and you can access your cash fee-free using an extensive ATM network that does span multiple states, including those outside of California. So, to wrap up, if you need a full-service branch, Poppy Bank is a California-only institution. But if you're looking for their lending services or just need digital banking and ATM access, their footprint extends well beyond California's borders. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.